So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to reset WTV Box Mini, soft reset, factory reset and setup again. So how to reset WTV Box Mini? Restart the WTV Box Mini from settings, then device preference, then restart. To perform a soft reset and fix temporary glitches. For a full reset, go to settings, then device preference, then reset, then factory data reset, which erase all apps and settings and restore the box to its original setup. So fix one is soft reset. Restart the TV Box Mini. Press the home button on your WE remote and open setting on the TV Box Mini. Navigate to device preference, then restart and confirm the restart option. The box will reboot and refresh the system, which helps fix temporary glitches, slow performance or app not responding. So second fix is factory reset from settings. Open settings from the TV Box Mini home screen, then go to device preference, then reset, then factory data reset. Confirm the reset, the device will erase all apps, accounts and settings, which helps resolve persistent software problems. Third one is factory reset using the physical reset button. Unplug the TV Box Mini from power, locate the small reset pinhole on the black back of the box and press it using a paper clip. Hold the button while reconnecting power until the reset screen appears. This forces a full system reset if the box is frozen. If reset button is not found, ignore the option. Set up the TV Box Mini again. Turn on the TV and the TV Box Mini after the reset complete. Select your language, connect to Wi-Fi and sign in to your Google or EE account. Follow the on-screen prompts to install, update and restore app so the box works normally again. Thank you.